we know that in every estimate, usually an estimate not only includes the base estimate, but it can include a list of alternates or options that may or may not get approved by an owner, but they need to be included as options or alternates in the estimate. If I do a right mouse click, I can take a look at this estimate and quickly see if this estimate includes any alternates. And in this case, it does. It has a surveillance system, a sound system. It also has the landscaping as an alternate. If I need to turn off one of those alternates and remove it from the estimate, it's as simple as unchecking a box and saying OK, and my surveillance alternate is now removed from the estimate. In fact, if I look at a detailed view and were to scroll down, I might see here, if I turn that alternate back on, I might see that information as part of the security system or so on and so forth included in here. I could also add a new alternate or a new option, and it's very easy to do. So I could go back to my takeoff window, and I could say I'm going to add something from the database. I could say I'm going to add an item. And to give you another thing that's very, very powerful here is I could say I'm going to do a search of my database. We might want, this building's got a huge front turnaround driveway in front of this structure, and we're thinking about putting a large aluminum flagpole. So I want to find anywhere in my database that has the word flag in the database, and I see a list of all the items in the database that somewhere in the description of that item finds the word flag. And I want to grab this 35-foot aluminum flagpole. I pull it in, but I'm going to turn it into an alternate. So I'm going to add alternate here, and this will make this alternate number 5, and we'll call it our flagpole alternate. So just that quickly, I add that alternate, I accept it, I close my window here, I say I have one of them. So now I've added that flagpole estimate alternate here. You'll notice it's kind of grayed out. If I go here to my alternate activator and I say I want it included with the estimate, it's not grayed out anymore. The cost of that alternate is now in my estimate. So I can see all that information, again, very, very quickly.